Hi friends, welcome. We have seen previously how by using Gemini API key we have used and developed AI tools where we have sent a prompt and got the response, and also we have passed the image to our API tool to Gemini and got the blog post out of that image. So those we have seen earlier by using the Colab platforms. So now we'll see how in the local system by using Visual Studio Code we'll also work on a similar script, slightly change in the how you store the API key. We'll see that, and moreover this time we'll go for a chart mode. So in that case we need not have to send the context every time, so it will remember our history of discussion, so it will give us the response based on the our short query only. We'll learn more about this. Visit this URL, you will get all the details here, and you can just visit these links also if you want to know more about the Colab, the Python cloud platform of Google. Then how you will get the API key, you can study here, and how you will manage the secrets feature in the Colab platform if you are working on the planning to work on the Colab. And here is the GitHub link where you will be directly taken to the GitHub. The source code is there also, and from there you can use your Colab account by clicking the button at the top. Now here's the video, you can watch it, study all these codes, basic codes by once you have a API key. Note that these are all using Colab platform. So this particular part, Google API key user data, you have to take it from the Colab secret. So that is what in the previous video also we have explained it. Now here is the text generation. We are sending a fixed prompt here, then that reply we are getting it. Now then we are giving a user to input the prompt, and that reply also will be getting. Now if you scroll down, here it is when you same script with a slight modification, because the secret API secret you have to keep it in an environment variable that we are storing it here. How to work on it we have explained it here. Then here is the code which will by using the environment variable. So in the only difference in the Colab and here will be the way we store the secret or Google's API key. So here it is, through the environment variable will load the API key. So when you share the file also .env file you are not supposed to share, because there inside your API key is there. Now below that you can download the or copy this code. This code is for the chart mode, what we are going to see now. So in the chart mode we can keep on interacting with the AI tools, or the backend it is the Gemini. So that we will see now. And all the installations of new addition, here you can see pip install Google generative AI, because in the local system you need to install that, or even if for the environment variable if you are first time using it, here it is pip install python .env. So this is the library you have to install it to run the above code, because here you can see here we are calling this import Google Gen AI, then we are .environment also. These two we are using. I am in my Visual Studio Code now. Here you can see the OS, the operating system, because what I will be interacting. Then Gen AI, I have pip installed Gen AI, you can do that. That's what we have discussed now. Then the for loading the environment variable, this line is required. Then what happened, the Google key I am reading from my environment variable. This name I have given inside the file. How to store the API key and all already we have discussed in previous all video tutorials. You can, I will leave the link in the description, you can follow that. Now we have this simple try and catch block. There is no much code in this involved, so hardly 30 line of code including all the comments we have. Now here is the try. If in case any problem is there in the API key, this except block will print that, because it will pick up the error. So within the try block we kept it. First what we are doing is we are configuring the API key. So this API key, what you have pulled it from the environment variable, that we are doing. We are selecting a model. You can also change this model and experiment. So this is the model ID or model name, we have telling that use this model. Then we are setting a chart mode. So this is the object we are creating, this is the chart mode, we are going for it. Now this is where this mode we will be using it. Now we are to our prompt we are giving it Gemini chart type exit to quit, because we need to come out of it and stop the application running. So that time we have to use either exit or quit. You can type anything. Type exit to quit it. So type you can change this wording also. Now here you see this is nothing but a loop only. It keeps on sending the response and getting from that. These 4 lines of code. While true, user input u. This is the prompt what will u means what we give it. So here we will type it our whatever question we want. Then it will go there. Then it will come back again. Here actually the user input, if it is exit or quit, then it will exit. The break statement will come up. Before that it will print a goodbye message to and print. Now here is the 2 lines, that is what gets our output from the whatever based on the input we send to Gemini, we get the output that we capture in the response and we are printing it. It is very simple code, only this loops keeps on running as long as we have not typed exit or quit. So this is what is the simple code only. I think hardly the actual code will be 10 to 15 lines of it, and here the API key you are to store it. Let's run this. But before that, since we will be charting more, so I will give more, here I will pull it up. So here we will get lot of space here. Now I am running this. So it connects, Gemini AI chat, type exit or quit. So to come out of u, what you have seen now at the top, that u is here. Now here is my prompt. How AI can help in education. Now this is the question. Now I am just sending it, so I will get the response. So this response I need not tell you, you will see then my next question will be, okay, this is the response, I got it. Now you can see here u is here. Now I will just change it. I will not give a full context. I will see in banking sector. Now that means how AI can help in banking sector, because it remembers the context. It's a chat mode. Now let's see. So it goes now to using the API key Gemini, and here is the response. In summary, it is gives it. Now I can further in the stock market. I can say in. So what I am saying, how AI can help in stock market. That's what actually my question is. So this is because it gives the response. You can read it. You can ask, give me in 500 words or 100 words. All the way we use the chatbot. The same thing I can continue. This is the chat mode. I hope it will be useful, and we will take it to our different desktop applications also. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and we will continue this series by integrating this charting and all these APIs in different applications, desktop applications, and in the cloud platform also. And if you have any doubt, ideas, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below to post it. My request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.